we have to understand the key of the ancients is built around the human evolution cycles of time. Everything in a circle. Everything begins, comes down, goes through the bottom, raises itself back up in a great circle. That's exactly what the life story of Jesus Christ is. That's exactly what the sun is. The sun comes down and goes through the Southern Cross during December the 21st, goes into the tomb of the earth for 3 days and 3 nights in the winter solstice. December the 25th, it starts its journey back upward. Jesus Christ came down from heaven, went through the cross, in the tomb, went down to set the captives free, and then resurrected back up. Everything is exactly the same. It follows that great cycle as all ancient stories did. The birth of Christ, the resurrection of Christ, the birth of the Son, the resurrection of the Son, all of these things are part of, excuse the word myth, but nonetheless it is. But that should not in any way challenge you, because what we're looking at is the way Eastern people write. They make a graphic story. They use Egypt as the place of the lower mind. They use those slaves who are in the bondage to the lower mind, breaking from the Pharaoh, which is actually the ego, coming out through the darkness, wilderness of meditation to that which the struggling, churning emotions of the Red Sea, looking up and crossing the emotions into that which is the promised land of the right hemisphere of the brain. But what happens? We look at these things, we read them as if they're history stories, forgetting they're in a Bible. There is not history stories in a Bible. The Bible was not meant to be a history book. It's a mystical, spiritual book. Strange stories, allegorical stories are told to you so that you can look at them and say, what is being said here?